Going through a divorce can be a challenging and emotionally draining experience. It often leaves individuals feeling lost, broken, and hesitant to pursue another long-term, committed relationship. However, divorce recovery is possible, and it can serve as a stepping stone to a fulfilling and lasting partnership. In this article, we will explore 5 essential steps to help you heal from divorce and move forward towards your next long-term, committed relationship. Step 1. Self-reflection and healing. The first step towards finding a healthy and lasting relationship after divorce is to engage in self-reflection and focus on healing. Take the time to understand and process your emotions, acknowledging the pain and disappointment. Seek support from friends, family, or a therapist who can provide a safe space for you to express your feelings and help you navigate through the healing process. Self-care activities such as exercise, meditation, journaling, or pursuing new hobbies can also aid in the healing journey. Step 2. Rebuilding your identity. Divorce can often shake one's sense of identity. It is essential to take this opportunity to rediscover yourself and rebuild your identity as an individual. Engage in activities that bring you joy and fulfillment, explore your passions, and set new goals for yourself. Embrace the journey of self-discovery and invest time in personal growth. By establishing a strong sense of self, you'll be better equipped to enter a new relationship from a place of confidence and self-assurance. Step 3. Learning from past relationships. Take the time to reflect on your past relationship and identify the lessons it taught you. Recognize patterns and behaviors that may have contributed to the breakdown of your marriage. This introspection allows you to gain insight into your own needs and values in a relationship. Learning from past mistakes and understanding your own role in the dynamics of a relationship will enable you to make healthier choices moving forward. Step 4. Setting clear intentions and boundaries. Before entering a new relationship, it's crucial to set clear intentions and establish healthy boundaries. Reflect on the qualities and values you seek in a partner and identify deal breakers based on past experiences. This clarity will guide you in making more informed decisions about potential partners. Additionally, setting healthy boundaries ensures that your needs and values are respected, fostering a relationship built on mutual respect and understanding. Step 5. Opening up to new connections. Once you have taken the time to heal, rebuild your identity, learn from past relationships, and set clear intentions and boundaries, you can open yourself up to new connections. Engage in activities and communities that align with your interests and values. Be open to meeting new people, but also be discerning about potential partners who align with your vision for a long-term, committed relationship. Patience is key in this process, as finding the right partner takes time. Divorce recovery is a transformative journey that can lead to personal growth and pave the way for a fulfilling and lasting long-term relationship. By following these 5 steps of self-reflection and healing, rebuilding your identity, learning from past relationships, setting clear intentions and boundaries, and opening up to new connections, you can embark on a path to find a new love that aligns with your values and desires. Remember, every ending is an opportunity for a new beginning, and with the right mindset and approach, you can create a future filled with love and happiness.